Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is to learn how to change logo in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. And this part we will learn how to change the logo of the site and tag me or the site mean. So to change this logo you have to go to Appearance. So here we can see Appearance and Customize. So it will redirect it to the page where we have changed all the data, like it will redirect to this page where we have changed. I have already came through this place, and here you will get one option that is called as Site Settings. Just click on Site Settings, and here you will get this option as a logo and title. So here you can give the site title. If you are creating this website for your business, then you will have to give the business name, or else if you are creating this website for your personal use, here you can give your personal name as well and have the tagline goes the tagline. In the sense by default it comes just another WordPress website. A WordPress site where you can give you a tagline like as a slogan or maybe any of the code. If you are creating your business website, then there must be a tagline of your business. You can just give your tagline over here, or you can leave this place as a blank also. And here we can see in this part, we can upload the logo. So just click on the select image and you will get one option as upload file. And here you have to select this part, you have to select this logo from here, and please make sure this logo must be in JPEG format and it should be below 64 MB and 64 MB maximum upload a portable file size, so you don't have to worry for that the logo doesn't consider that much big. So anyways, you can select this logo, or else if you have already uploaded the logo, just simply click on Media, Library and select the logo file. Here you can select all the images whatever you have uploaded so far. So as of now, if we click on this upload file, then select this logo button and you'll have to click on Choose Image. The logo will appear automatically and it shows another option as a dark local. Suppose you have two versions of logo and the one is dark, one is light. So in that case, you can use the light logo over here and you can use the dark look over here. So it matters, it should match with the thing. And just make sure the logo color and the logo theme, whatever logo color theme I'm going to say, if you are using the colors, the color combination of a red and suppose the yellow. So the website color should be red and the yellow, it looks authentic and it looks professional. And here you can change the width size, width height, then merging in the top this portion how much margin you want to keep, margin in the bottom. And here you can upload the site icon. Site icon is a favicon basically. So it will come on the browser at the very small icon what you can see. Suppose if you have opened Google, you can see Google logo G and in the top of the browser, so it is basically favicon, so you can upload the site icon from here itself. And that's all for today. Next video is to learn how to customize and configure settings in WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.